Here we are at the mini club. Gonna walk inside. They've got an outside area and an inside area. Currently it's not in action because it is about 7 o'clock. So yeah, we've got a swinging ride, a Ferris wheel. Wow. Sorry, there are trees in the way here. We've got a carousel as well. We've got the indoor part, another play area type thing, trampoline, as you can see someone's demonstrating. Whoa, nice skills there. Teacups, and then we've got a playground as well. We've got like a shaking thing. Yeah, very hard to push. Baby swings, getting names of things. Then here's the playground part. Not very high because, well, it's a kids area, so that way. You've got some slides, and there's the water slides, a seesaw, and basically all the park facilities.
So that was a mini club. My brother said it was pretty good, so if you've got young kids and you're planning to go to Mukarnas, that is something for the little ones to do. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.